What's up? Welcome back to CK Chrome. I want to start off by saying Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a great Christmas and you get to spend time with your families. So first off, number one is I'm going to start my David statue, and I'm going to start that in the P1L. I have some beige filament I bought. That's not going to work for what I bought it for. I needed army beige, so I'm going to have it be a beige statue. And then once that's a success, I will print it out of my new marble. I'm still going to use 40% infill on that in 3 wall layers, just because I want it to be stout. So I don't, a waste of filament, I don't care about that malarkey because filament's very cheap. Especially if you can start selling these suckers. You just do your pricing right and make them robust and beautiful. All right. So that's what I'm going to keep going. Number 2 is it's Wednesday today. It's Christmas Day. I'm seeing my folks, or I'm seeing my family on Saturday. So that gives me Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days to print everyone's Christmas presents. So I'm going to have 2 printers working on my shop, 6 printers are going to be, or sorry, I forgot how to do math. 5 printers are going to be Christmas presents. Pretty crappy gift. That's supposed to be a gift. Sorry about that. That looks dilapidated. And once I get my printers up and going here, I'm going to then revert back to my beautiful, I found a design, so I'm going to light box with battery and USB. So 2 designs. Very extremely difficult to do this left-handed because you have to go under it or just anyways. So I get that light box. I have a design, a beautiful design that I saw from Hobby Lobby and Etsy, and I'm going to combine the 2, and I'm going to make my own piece out of those 2 pieces. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to design the light box. There's going to be one with a cord and one with batteries. And that light box, the lights are still going today. So that's 22 hours on 2 Duracell batteries. And I'm probably going to use half the lights that I have the Duracell battery hooked up to. But anyways, so that's all I got is these 3 items today. But of course, the most important one that I will be doing today is brainstorming a useful, fun model to sell. And that's really number 1 right here. Number 1. Get some Christmas presents in here. Of course, you know, that's going to happen. We don't got to worry about that being number 1 because that's going to happen. But we need to brainstorm and get a useful, fun model to sell. And we're going to see what we come up with on that. And we got some work to do today. So take it easy, folks, and hang in there with me. Let's see what I bring in towards you. All right, so here it is, fresh off the plate. My heart charm. I do have my heart. I have a little loop for this clasp to fit in, a lobster claw. And then this will just be my Etsy picture for them to get the idea to put their name on there. So there you have it. That will be listed for probably $19.99. And I'll have another item now on my Etsy shop. Sweet. All right, so first to start off on the Christmas list, I found a couple items. Let's check out what we got so far. First thing I'm going to print is I'm going to also list these. This will be an example for my listings. All right, so this is going to be my first thing I'm printing. Instead of the Milwaukee word, it's going to have people's names on it. Then I'm going to also use this for pictures for my Etsy site. And this is how I'm going to sell these moving forward. It'll be a personalized Milwaukee box without Milwaukee name on it, so it's just a red box. So I don't think anyone can get me for that. Anyways, you never know though, but I think we're safe. So that'll be the first one I print off. The next one I print off is going to be this hippo. One of the family members likes hippos, so I'm going to get her this cup hippo right here. And I have some purple filament left over. So those are the three presents I'm going to start off with. And wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Let's get these prints going. All right, everybody, let's do a little pros and cons list on my heart charm. Okay, one pro is it's another potential sale. It's my design. So those are two very important things, I would think. But one thing hit me as soon as I did the cons list was not fulfillable. This really sucks being left-handed and doing this. Not fulfillable, meaning I have to print it on demand if somebody orders their name. I have to now fire it or get it going. And the good thing about that is I can do multiple. Multiple at one. So I can do fill up the plate with like 6 or 8 of these things and just hit start. So that's a good thing. It can always be the same color. Another con is, it's not fulfillable. I think is the biggest con here. So moving forward, the risk analysis of making this item on my site is very low. There's not risk at all, except for if somebody gets 100 of these, they're going to have to print 100 of them. Well, that's pretty cool. So anyways, I think moving forward, it's a 100% go on scheduling this and setting this up as another item on my Etsy shop. Thank you. What's going on? Welcome back. I'm just showing off my rhinoceros I printed from Maker World. Pretty dang good. Came right out, 4 hours, flawless design, flawless print. Hopefully she likes that very much. And on to the next print. My niece loves Hello Kitty. We're going to get right into that. So here, this print is 20 hours. It's going to cost me $11. So we'll get some B-roll on that, and we're off to the races. Let's keep these presents going. Have a Merry Christmas once again, folks. Anyway, so there you have it. Just keep doing these presents and these gifts, and along with that, I've also have the big David bust going. Anyways, let's see what I got going. Keep on trucking. All right, let's see what the end conclusion is for the day. The closing ceremonies. Once I said the closing statements of the day, I did start the David statue. That's going great. I have it on a regular textured PEI plate. 2 printers going all day, 5 printers going all day, Christmas stuff all day long. Had no time for the light box today. Too much stuff with Christmas and figuring stuff out. We'll have to keep that in there for tomorrow. Brainstorm useful items, did not get onto that either. One thing I did get in here was the heart charm listed on Etsy. I have the heart charm listed on Etsy. That's up and running, $24.99. A non-fulfillable project. That's why the price is a little high on that. We'll see what happens there. Other than that, I'm just going to keep rocking and rolling. I have printers down. Well, not printers down. Printers printing recreational things for my family, and have a lot of fun and enjoyment doing that. So I have my light box and everything right in sight, and we're gonna definitely do that tomorrow. So, anyways, have a great night, everybody.